This is the OS29 sliding door. What you're seeing here is a 3-pane setup in this system. So what happens is, when we push this main door back, we can also take the middle pane with it. Now, when we open up that expanse more, we've got 2/3 of an opening. You can have all these doors sliding if you so wish, but if you really do want to open up that space, having that is an option. With this interlock, it is 29mm, okay? So it's the next step up from the OS20. Again, it's got 150 RAL colours available. With this as well, unlike the OS20, you have Origin's beautiful handle that comes with it. Now this can be straight or offset, as you're seeing here, the latch and a key. Across the OS29, OS44 and OS77, this is the handle that you would go for. Now, max heights with this door, it can go up to 2600 high, okay? That's a massive amount of space and expanse for your doors. With the floor track, again, as you can see, you can bury it, so you can really get it nice and flush throughout. If you are looking for a price, come down to our Banbury showroom and one of our specialist team will be there to give you a warm welcome.